About a year and a half to 2 years ago, I started experiencing some hip pain in my right hip and groin pain. I went to see Dr. Jorgensen, and Dr. Jorgensen did some x-rays. He did an MRI. He diagnosed me with right hip osteoarthritis. Well, we sat down, we had a discussion as to what my options were, and I decided to go ahead, since it was so extensive, to have a total hip replacement. I met with pre-op nurses. I spoke with her. She provided me with a book that gave me information on what I could expect prior to, during, and after the surgery. Then I went over and I met with physical therapy, and the physical therapy worked with me on the use of the walker, and he also told me things that I could do, such as lying down, standing up, walking, and not crossing my legs. The day of surgery came, and I showed up at the surgery center, and I was pretty nervous and I was anxious. But the staff met me there, the nurses met me there, anesthesiologists, and they really reassured me that everything was going to go well. 2.5 hours later, I was out of surgery, I was walking, the prescriptions were brought to me, and my husband was waiting at the door to take me home. I had several weeks of physical therapy after that to help strengthen my muscles and to improve my gait. Since my total replacement surgery at OrthoGeorgia, it's been 5 months, and I've been able to return to OrthoGeorgia as a pre-op nurse on an as-needed basis. But one of my greatest benefits is that I've got quality of life. It has improved to the point that I can spend time with my grandchildren, my family, my friends, without being in pain. So I want to thank OrthoGeorgia for the experience that I had, and I also want to encourage any and everyone that has any ortho needs to come to OrthoGeorgia to meet with the staff, to meet with our doctors, and let them take care of those orthopedic needs. I'm sure that they'll take care of you just as well as they took care of me. Thank you, OrthoGeorgia.